And this is a small experiment with two servo motors. We can control the direction of the servo motor and the angle with the help of Arduino IoT Cloud, and also with Arduino IoT Remote app on our mobile device. So the connection is, since I have only one servo motor, and I'll show you how to control the rotation angle individually. And servo motor one, each servo motor has three wires: a red wire, brown wire, and a yellow wire. Red wire you connect it to VU pin of NodeMCU, and brown wire, that is ground to ground pin of NodeMCU, and signal wire, yellow wire, it is connected to D3 pin. This is servo motor 1. And servo motor 2, red wire VCC is connected to 3 volts pin of NodeMCU, and ground, brown wire, it is connected to ground pin of NodeMCU, and signal yellow wire, it is connected to D4 pin of NodeMCU. If you have two servo motors, you do the connection simultaneously. And in a mobile app, the app look like this. That the app name is Arduino IoT Remote app. So you have to install it using your Play Store. After installation, you will get a symbol like this. So, and one rotation, servo motor rotation I have shown here. It is 177 degree, and with the help of slider I have shown, and I'll show you now how to control the angle of the servo motor experimentally. The servo motor toe is in a 0-degree position. Now I move this to some angle. You can check the servo motor. Yeah, it's rotated. Now I'll move this to 180 degree. Yes. Again, I'll move back to 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. So in this way, you can rotate the motor. Click on Google Chrome and type here Arduino Cloud. So click on the first link, Arduino Cloud. So click on Get Started for free. Okay, so before this, you should register for Arduino Cloud. I have already registered, so I got this dashboard. So click on Things. If you, I'll remove the earlier one. I have already created. I'll remove everything before showing you all. Okay, now I'll create a thing. Create new thing. Create thing. Okay. So here you give the thing name. Here I'll give the thing name as controlling of two servo motors. Any name you can give here. So after this, click on add variable. Here you give the variable name. I'll give variable name as servo1, servo motor 1 I'll give. Select the variable type. Click on Alexa compatible. Select the variable integer variable. Then click on add variable. Okay, space is not allowed here. So I'll remove the space. So click on add variable. So one variable created for the first servo motor, and I'll add another variable for the second motor. Servo, don't leave the space here, servo motor 2. And select the variable type Alexa compatible. Under that, select integer variable, integer number, add variable. So two variables are created, servo motor 1 and servo motor 2. Now click on select device. So we have to take the new device, set up new device. Click on third party device. ESP8266 is selected. We have to select the model. The model is NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E model. Select this and click on continue and give the device name as, I'll give the device name as Shanta CM. I'll give the device name as Shanta and click on next. And copy this device ID and secret key in a notepad. Control C. Go to notepad. I'll paste here. I'll take only the secret key. Copy it. And go down. Click on I saved my device ID and secret key. Click on continue. And congratulations, you are all set. Click on done. Okay, so the device is selected. Now configure the network. You connect your mobile hotspot to your computer. Give the hotspot name. My hotspot name is Shanta CM and the password I have given. Here you copy the secret key. Just now we pasted in a notepad. I'll copy it. See, this is a secret key. Save it. So we configured the network also. And we configured the device. Next, go to dashboard. Click on here. Click on dashboard. Create a dashboard. Click on create a dashboard. Here you give the name of the dashboard. Just now we gave the name for a thing like that. You can give the name. Here also I'll give controlling of two servo motors. Rename it. Untitled it has come. I'll remove it. Controlling of two servo motors. Then add the visit. First, I'll select the value. visit value. So for this, you can give the name of the visit as a servo motor 1 and link the variable. The variable is I am linking for servo motor 1, link variable, then done. So add another visit, that is the value. Click on value. Give the name of the visit as servo motor 2, then link variable. Click on servo motor 2, link variable, then done. So we need another visit, that is slider. Click on slider. So click on, type here servo motor 1, link variable, servo motor 1, link variable. Then you can change the value here, maximum value. You should rotate up to 180 degree. Done. Then add another slider. So give the name of the visit as servo motor 2, link variable, servo motor 2. Click on link variable. Go down. Give the maximum value as 180. Done. Next, you can add another visit also. You can add the gauze here. So for this, you can give the variable as servo motor 1 or gauze 1, link variable, servo motor 1, link variable, maximum value you give 180 degree. Done. Choose another gauze. So you give the name of the visit as gauze 2, link variable, link this to servo motor 2, click on link variable, give the maximum value as 180 degree and done. Okay, so after this, after creating all the visits, go to dashboard. Click on controlling of 2 servo motors. Okay. So everything you can see here. Click on things. Click on servo motor 2. Controlling of 2 servo motors. Now click on sketch. So here some code is already, click on open full editor. By default, some code is generated. We need to modify the code according to our requirement. Come here. We have to include the library. Hash include. Hash include space. Sorry. Servo dot h This library we should include. And we have to declare two variables. Servo, my servo 1, my servo 1 or servo motor 1, anything you can give. My servo 1, comma, my servo 2, semicolon. So two variables I'm declaring. Under void setup, so after delay, after this line, you attach your servo motor using command my servo 1, my servo 1 dot attach open bracket 0 close bracket. You are connecting servo motor 1 to pin number 0. That is nothing but your D3 pin. And one more, my servo 2 dot attach bracket 2. This is nothing but D4 pin. So you modify this much, you write it. Then go to while loop, come down. In while loop, you write here, my servo 1 dot write open bracket servo 1. Servo 1, close the bracket, semicolon. My servo 2 dot write open bracket servo 2. Sorry, here we should write servo motor 1 and servo motor 2. I have given the name there as servo motor 1 and here servo motor 2. So after this, you upload the code. So you have to select the board and upload the code. Now select your board, NodeMCU, and the port is COM3. After selecting, upload your code. So while uploading it, compile it and upload it. If any errors are there, it will show you the errors in this place. So you have to correct the code. After that, once again, you upload the code. Now I'll click on uploading the code. So first it will compile the program. After that, it will upload your code. Now uploading gets started. It is showing here how much percentage of code is uploaded to our NodeMCU. 19%, 38%, 57%. So we should wait up to 100%. Now it is 77%. Okay, so uploading is over now. So in this way, we should upload the code to our NodeMCU. Now we will do the connection to the NodeMCU, the two servo motors, and how to control the servo motors using mobile and web dashboard. I'll show you now. So after uploading the code to your NodeMCU, so click on dashboard here. So click on dashboard. Your dashboard will get open. So click on your project that is controlling of 2 servo motors. The servo motor toe is in a 0-degree position. Now I move this to some angle. You can check the servo motor. Yeah, it's rotated. Now I'll move this to 180 degree. Yes. Again I'll move back to 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. So in this way you can rotate the motor. Since I have only one servo motor, just now I explained how to control the servo motor which is connected to D4 pin of NodeMCU. Now I am connecting servo motor orange wire, that is signal pin, to D3 pin of NodeMCU. So I have done connection already, VCC and ground connection and D3 pin. Now I'll control the rotation here. Now it is in 180 degree. I'll move this to 0 degree. You can check the rotation of the motor here. See, it is rotated. So this is motor 1, 65 degree. Sorry, 65 degree. Next, 130 degree. At the same time, you can see the gauze here also, 132 degree. Now I'll move this to 180 degree. Yes, it is rotated. So again I'll move this back to 0 degree. You can check here. Yes. So in this way you can control 2 servo motors which are connected to D3 and D4 pins of NodeMCU. In the Play Store, you have to install in your mobile, that is Arduino IoT Cloud Remote. From the Play Store, you have to install it. I have already installed. After installation, you open it. So now I'll open it. I have opened. So after installation, you will get like this, controlling of 2 servo motor, name I have given. So click on this. So same like in a laptop, your dashboard will open like this. Now I'll control my servo motor using my mobile also. See, 62 degree I made. The motor now rotates to 62 degree. See, it is rotated. Okay, so again I'll move this to 101 degree. Now I'll move the angle to 0 degree. Yes, it is rotated. Now I'll once again move to 122 degree. Yes, it is rotated. So from mobile also you can control the motor. See, 180 degree. So in this way, from mobile also you can control the rotation, and from the laptop web dashboard also you can control the servo motor.